Hey guys, welcome back. So we got a different kind of project going on today. I bought this $75 marketplace find, and these things are well over $2,000. And I figured it's kind of RV related because you could potentially put this in an RV. Whether or not they make 12 volts UV lights, I have no idea, but I mean, you could just plumb it right into your inverter and use 120 volts to purify your water. And basically you only need to purify it once. You fill your freshwater tank full of water and then you can just turn this off. This is only really needed when you're near a city that has questionable tap water. So I bought this because I'm tired of going down to the store, refilling jugs, bringing them back just for drinking water. And on top of it, this one is alkaline, extremely healthy. So this is a top of the line unit. I didn't feel like sending it off to a plumber to get rebuilt. So we're gonna tackle it right here, right in my backyard. I got all the pieces I need. I've got spare parts that I need to replace the nipple fitting because basically I had the plumber come in and install it. And we actually have a leak right here on this nipple fitting. So we're gonna take it all apart, replace the nipple fittings, put some new Teflon on, basically rebuild this entire unit. Put a new light in, change the ballast because this light doesn't work anymore. Just get it all tidied up. So I think right off the bat, we're gonna disconnect this one right here, take off the UV, disconnect it. Well, actually that doesn't matter because it's loose already. And we'll take off all the screws, drop the unit itself, replace the fittings, put the unit back together. Hopefully no leaks. Put the UV light in, change the power, and plug it in and see if it works. So come along with me for this little exciting adventure. So that was the leaky culprit. But regardless, I'm really glad that we're doing this because now that I'm looking at this, everything needs to be cleaned. Everything is disgusting. So we'll get everything cleaned up, wiped down. I'm gonna take a Lysol wipe, clean as much as I can, but we'll get these cleaned up a little bit with some dishwater and some soap, rinsed off. We'll start putting everything back together. See you guys in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. I got everything cleaned up. Set off everything to the side. And then we're gonna rebuild this. Okay, to put the seals in, it recommends using food grade silicone. So I picked up a little thing of it. We're gonna apply it. See how this goes. Kind of is holding it in place. So now we're gonna carefully screw this up. Do hand tight for now. We'll do this one. And then we'll tighten them all together. Okay, now I'm going to use my fancy tool and we're going to tighten them up just slightly. As tight as I can get them. All right, she's all back together. Time to test it out. Okay, seems like everything is working. Everything's plugged in. The only thing I'm missing is the other power source actually turns this off when it senses no water being flowed through. So we might end up swapping that with the EVGreen dealership and getting a proper one. But this will work for now till he contacts me back. So let's go take it inside, plug it in. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna flip the water on. So far, so good. The wait till it pressurizes. Come back when the water's done going through the system and see how well it works. All right, so we got everything installed. Everything's done. We got about 5 minutes left on the flush. Water's running. I think that's a job well done. That's what the old filters look like before I replaced them. That was a blowout. I don't know what the heck happened there, but all those are disgusting. All of them have like mold and disgusting crap, slimy. It's been sitting for a while, hasn't been used. The old ballast is broken and busted, so we're gonna get a new one of those, put that in. Replace the one we got because it's not quite the one we want. And we got a sediment filter. After a while, we'll replace it because we got pretty nasty water. But that's it. I got another quartz crystal tube. That's the old lamp, so we'll keep that stuff put away. And that's going to conclude today's video. Thanks for sticking around my little water filtration system repair. In the next episode, hopefully, and my next project, well, that's going to be exciting because I got a new toy to play with. Look at that. A hot water heater that runs on propane. And we got everything and it works. It's running. Bought it used. Was actually not running when I picked it up. Fixed it up and it runs. Didn't have to spend a single dime to repair it. Now I got a nice working water heater and I've been playing with some ideas on a shower curtain. So stick around for the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you. Peace out.